The thing about Brown's is the culture that Dan and Deb had from the very beginning. Treat the employee well, the way we've always treated the customer, instilled honesty, integrity, quality in our products.
So much of what the company was founded by still apply. Integrity and humility and employees and customers first. And really that's at the core of what we want to maintain. So we're adding to that.
It's incredible to see where we've come. As we've grown, we've maintained our culture, we've maintained our commitment to customer service, but we've expanded our abilities further than I would have ever imagined.
Customers these days, they want a one-stop shop. They don't want to have to deal with 10 different vendors coming in to do different things. Now we're able to sell and service things nationwide.
And the first word in service is serve. We want to be a servant-hearted, servant-minded company that we will come alongside you wherever you're at. Nothing's too big, nothing's too small. We want to come alongside you and partner in whatever your ventures are to help take your plan and your company forward.
And that means being a consultant, coming up with custom solutions for these customers, which are better than what the OEM can offer because we're flexible, we're nimble, we can make terms and conditions changes where needed, because not every customer needs the same thing.
It's motivating and inspiring that you can move into a market that's been around for 100+ years. There's nothing but opportunity and upside, and build on the great that was already here and make it truly phenomenal for the customer.
That's who we are. We have our leaders, we have our champions. Everybody, there's a lot of excitement right now with the path that we're going, the products that we're offering.
New categories, new things, innovations that we could bring to the table that set us apart, that bring value to the customer at a time where they need it the most.
When you look at it from the outside, you say, oh, this is just X-ray, but really what we're doing is we're changing processes, paradigms, and ultimately patient care.